guys, and welcome back to Miguel Detailing. Today we are working on a Kia Soul full interior. You guys are going to be able to see us work from start to finish the before shots, and stay tuned for the after shots at the end of the video, and you will see our little surprise that we got for you. Um, the reason why I'm showing this video is a little bit old, but the reason why I'm showing it is because there's a specific tool here that I am using that I have upgraded now, but I want to show you guys this is something you can still use and create or give great service. We're going to talk about it more often within the video, so let's go ahead and watch the video and we can move on from there. I can basically explain what we're doing, how we're doing it, and the tools that we're using. All right guys, let's go. Okay guys, so when vacuuming, you can use a drill brush to help you bring any dirt such as sand or anything that's stuck underneath the carpet, underneath those fibers. It's going to help you lift those up into the surface, and that way you can extract it with a vacuum. Soon after, when we're doing the dash, I use my APC 41 or 1 to 5 when doing the dash, typically because I don't want to put harsh chemicals into this plastic and then discolor the plastic. So you make sure you don't use any hard chemicals whatsoever when dealing with plastic, especially with older vehicles, because they're more fragile and more worn out than the new vehicles. Alright, now let's move to extracting. When going to extract the seeds, the carpets, or anything you use to extract whatsoever, make sure you first add one APC, second agitate, third of all extract, and then you repeat the process over and over and over again until you get it to where you want to. And always make sure if you're doing this mobile, you have the time to do it, the amount of times that you actually want to do it. So don't overdo it yourself. Yes, take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes, and if you have to, and go ahead and do it. Okay guys, so we are a couple minutes into the video, so let me just let you know real quick. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and then hit that like button and then share it on your Facebook, Instagram, wherever you want to share it at. Thank you. Okay guys, so this is what I've been talking about. This little Bizzell Spot Clean Pro is amazing. So you guys can see how much it's actually extracting, how the carcass is turning out. You have fun extracting it with this little machine that costs almost next to nothing. And by next to nothing, I'm comparing it to the big ones out there, like the Aqua Pro, like the Mighties, any major extracting tools out there, machines that you can buy over $400 or so. Yeah, they're great, don't get me wrong, they are amazing. They'll provide more extraction, they'll provide more liquid, they'll provide a little bit of quality, but at the end of the day, the little Bizzell Spot Clean Pro does an amazing job. The only thing I think of negative about it would be that I might have to do a seed 2 or 3 times more than I will have to with the big machine that I have right now. But other than that, no, I loved it. I still have it on the side. I might use it at any point. I know my wife is using it for the house. There ain't really much nothing negative for it. So if you're starting off and you need a good extractor, I'll recommend this one for sure. And no, I am not by any means whatsoever being sponsored by Bizzell or any other company whatsoever. Only reason why I am presenting this is because it worked for me for so long, and it will continue to work for me in the future. And it did such an amazing job for the value of the tool. You know, the tool is really not that expensive when you compare it to other machines out there, to other extractor, to other companies. It's just really not that expensive for something that actually works pretty damn good. Something that is not expensive, something that looks good, and that it's portable. You can take it anywhere, guys. So okay, let me not keep going anyway. Alright guys, so as you can see real quick, the reason why we couldn't do any aftershocks was recently because of the rain. The rain didn't really help us. We did had no predictions whatsoever for rain that day, but the rain somehow arrived and stopped everything. So what ended up happening is we basically waited until the rain stopped. Then we went back to the vehicle. We finished it, we made it all nice and shiny and beautiful for the customer. We turned in the key, he understood, he paid, we left, and basically it just delayed us. But thankfully, right after him, we only have one more customer, and that was it for that day. Well, thank you for watching, thank you for being here. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, every little thing. Everything helps every day. Thank you guys, have a wonderful day. Alright guys, we're a couple minutes in. Before we continue, I just want to let you know. Okay guys, so we are a couple moments off the video, so let's me fucking hell.